place the ivory box on the table. Slide the lid a bit with tongs. Put the tongs on the table. That's fine. Now you can go and fetch Mr. Culverton Smith of 13 Lower Berkeley Street.
Hello, Inspector Morton. Why are you not in uniform? Forget it. How is Holmes now?
Mr. Culverton Smith, tell him that I'm not at home. Are you from Holmes' house?
Yes. He believes that you are only a person in London who can help him because of your knowledge of Eastern disease.
Oh,
Mrs.
now you go to the next room and don't speak or come here.
Okay.
Holmes, come in, Mr. Smith. You are the only person in London who can treat me. Do you know the symptoms? Yes, Mr. Smith. Mr. Smith, please cure me. I will forget everything about Victor Smith's death. I will not tell anybody that you killed Victor Smith. Did anything came by post? A box? Yes, I opened the box and there was a sharp spring inside it. A joke perhaps. It drew blood. No, it was not a joke, you fool. You know too much. Who asked you to cross my path? Your end is near, Holmes. I'll keep this box in my pocket, the last piece of evidence. Turn up the gas, Smith. Yes, I will, so that I can see you better.
So, with the signal of lamp, Inspector Morton came and arrested Culverton Smith on the charges of murder of his nephew Victor Smith and attempt to murder Sherlock Holmes. And the Smith, I arrest you on charge of murder.
What's all this? Successful acting, Mr. Smith. I didn't eat anything and drink past 3 days.
Hope you have enjoyed the play. Thanks. Ha ha ha! Right now I'm feeling too much sleepy. Me. Oh my goodness! Look at this softball offer. I think it will be fun to jump on it. I'm going to run and jump on it. Whee! What the hell was that? Is something jump on me? Oh, it's a mouse. Help! I'm stuck in this net. Help me! It's like my friend Dylan. I think I have to help him. Oh, little mouse, you.
Lightly, beware her alone. She's pale like a flower in the wind of our song. She skims like a bird on the form of a stream. She floats like a laugh on the lips of a dream. Gaily, oh gaily, we glide and we sing. We bear her along like a pearl on a string.
Aspirations converge. It is a delicate dance between independence and guidance. Parents are the pillars of support, understanding the difference between freedom and guidance. In conclusion, adolescence is just like feeling something new and discovering about yourself. May this journey be very beautiful for you. And let's build an environment of understanding where everyone can live freely. Thank you so much.
सालों से गुलामी की जंजीरों में जकड़ी हुई थी, उसे आजाद कराने का समय आ गया था। आजादी के सपने को साकार करने का संग्राम 1857 से शुरू हुआ।
तेरी कसम तेरी राहों में जाकर लुटा जाएंगे फूल क्या चीज है तेरे कदमों पे हम भेद अपने सरों की चढ़ा जाएंगे मैं वतन तेरी कसम तेरी राहों में जाकर लुटा जाएंगे मैं वतन आगे कदम हमको हंसते हुए मौत को भी
सबसे बड़ा सेनानी एक आम आदमी था जो हर गांव, हर शहर, हर गली, हर सड़क पर 900 साल तक हर शाम आजादी
माटी को आके